Today, the 3rd of October, we have Discover, Theme 1, Chapter 1, Lesson 1 and 2. And these are in page 3, 4, and 5 in the student book. Let
Mr.
me-
Discover school book.
Yes.
I have. What is the page?
I will tell you everything, but just to give me a chance to speak.
I don't have Discover.
Don't worry, just to give me a chance to tell you what we are going to do.
I don't have Discover.
Don't worry, just to give me a chance to tell you what we are going to do.
Mister,
Yes.
This is a book.
No, this is booklet for Connect Plus.
So, Mr. This is a book. This is.
I can see only your beautiful face.
This is the book.
This book, right?
This one.
Yes, this.
I don't have book.
I heard you. I heard you that you don't have the book. I understand very well that you don't have the book. Thank you very much.
Mr. This is a book.
Mister, this book
Yes.
or connect
Yes.
blood book?
This is Discover. Yes, this is a book. Ibrahim Maaf.
Which what?
We don't study in the book now. We are going to study PowerPoint. When we go to the book, I will tell you which page.
Mister, are you here?
Yes, I am here.
Mister, right book. This book.
This is Connect. This is Connect. We don't need Connect. We need Discover.
Discover?
Yes, Discover.
Yes, I have the Discover.
Good. It's good that you have
Mr. هو Discover يعتبر إن هو الماس mathematics.
I don't know. I know that we have Discover only. That's all I know. Let's start.
Mister, what's this?
Do you think that when these four hands work together, they will make a full picture?
Yes.
If this man with the blue piece.
Mister, this book?
Yes, this book.
Okay.
Yeah, this one.
This book.
Yes, this
ما
book.
عنديش book كده. Not mathematics. No, not mathematics.
Well, let's make myself clear here. I teach this lesson, Discover, lesson 1 and 2. I hope it's clear enough for you. This is Discover, lesson 1.
This one.
Once again,
Yes, this
once
one.
again, once again.
many
Let me make myself more clear. This is Discover. Discover. Lesson 1 and 2. I hope this is clear enough for you. Good. Now look at those people. What are they doing together? They are talking and they are listening to each other, right?
Yes.
They are speaking.
This is the first thing we study in this unit, in this chapter, life skills. What do you think about the meaning of skills?
This book?
You can do.
Yasin
Very
Sakran,
good.
my
No, no,
friend.
not this
Yasin
book.
Sakran,
No,
my
not
friend.
this.
Yasin
Yeah,
Sakran, my
different.
friend. This is mathematical. I teach you
It's hard.
discover, not math.
Cover, not this.
You will find the DISCOVER on the paper of the page of the book.
It's a paper.
Okay. Now life skills. What do you think is the meaning of skills? What does it mean?
Well, life.
Are they kinds of ideas? If you have a skill, it means that you have ideas. Well, let's
No.
make it easier. Is it good thing to have or bad thing to have?
Good thing.
Good thing. So we all agree that the skills are good things. Skills are good things. Now, I need you to think about someone who can repair his car with his hand. Once
What?
again, I
You
think
mean this book?
yes, Yasin, I mean this book.
Yeah, that's a life skill, pretty much.
Now I need you to think about a man that can repair his car.
a mechanic.
Forget about the car. I need you to think about a man who can cook.
Chef.
Who can
Chef.
No, he's not chef. A doctor, for example, but he can cook his dinner. He can cook his
What?
lunch. A doctor. When he goes home, he cooks his food by his hands. Okay?
Think think he has is good, very good.
It is good to be able to cook yourself, right? It's a good thing.
Yeah.
We call this is a skill.
Skill. I know what's the name is.
Being able to cook is a skill. Now think about another
Think
man.
is very good to have.
Good. Now think another man who can make or he can do the laundry himself. Can do the laundry. When his clothes are not clean, he can use the washing machine and wash his clothes. Do you think this man is good or bad?
Something is good to have. I think so.
Well, if you can cook, if you can wash your clothes, it means that you have skills. It means that you have skills. Skills helps you to live better. Skills helps you to live better. So skills are good things or bad things, students?
Good things.
Good things.
Good things.
So
Good thing.
do skills help us to live better?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it good to learn?
Yes.
Good. Is it good to learn skills?
Yes.
Good.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, I see one yes is enough.
One yes.
One yes is enough.
One yes.
We are not deaf, we can hear you. Now look here, students. I need you to repeat after me the meaning of life skills. They are things
There are things
we practice
we practice
to do well
to do well
in life.
in life.
They
In
are
life.
things.
Watching TV.
There
I
Repeat,
think
repeat, please. They are things
there I think
we practice
Practice to do
Practice.
to do well
correct
in life.
do well
do well in
This,
life.
this moves us to the next part.
Can I
Yes,
go to the bathroom?
yes, you can. This moves us to the next part. We can learn skills. We can learn skills. The first skill I want you to learn, it is called collaboration. Repeat, please.
Collaboration.
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 Co, la,
Co. La.
gu, gu, Ration.
Collaboration.
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 Collaboration. Again, please. Collaboration.
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 Collaboration. Now, what is the meaning of collaboration? It has a very easy meaning. It means working together. It means what? Working together. Working together. Look at this picture. Look at this picture. How many hands can you see in the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4. They need each other to work. They need each other to work. This is called the collaboration. This one with the green piece needs this one with the red piece. And he needs this one with the blue piece. And they need this one with the orange piece. They need to work together to make the picture. This is called the collaboration. What is collaboration? It means working together. Is it a life skill? Yes, it's a life skill.
Yes.
It is good. Is it good to learn collaboration? Yes, it is good to learn collaboration. Is it good? Is it good to work together? Yes, it's good to work together.
Yes.
Is it life skill? Yes, it's life skill. Does it mean it's a good idea to learn? Yes, it means it's a good idea to learn.
Yes.
So what are life skills, students? What are life skills? You can, they are things you practice. Good.
Collaboration.
What is collaboration? What is
Is
collaboration?
working together.
Working
Yes, it
together.
means
Together.
working together. Good. Now, the next life skill. Repeat after me. Communication.
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 Again, communication.
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 Communication, students, is a life skill. Or in other words, it is good thing to learn. What does it mean? It means we show our feelings. If we hate something or we like something, these are feelings. But how we show them? By talking. When I tell, for example, when I tell Asir Sharif, I tell him, I don't like football. Now I tell Asir Sharif, Asir Shinawi, I tell him about my feelings. How did I tell him? By talking. I talk to him. If I give you a picture of football and I draw X on this picture, does it mean I like football or I hate football?
I hate football.
Now I show you my feelings, but not by talking, by what? Drawing. Drawing. Good. Now, if I give you a piece of paper, a piece of what?
Paper.
Paper. And I write on it, I hate football. Now, when you read it, you know that I hate football?
Yes.
You know my feelings? Did I talk to you?
Yes.
No. Did I draw to you? Did I write to you?
Yes.
So, communication
Yes.
means showing my feelings by talking, drawing, or writing. So once again, students, what are life skills?
They are things we practice to do well in life.
Good. What is collaboration?
It is working together.
Good.
I want to go bathroom.
Yes, you can go to bathroom. What is the collaboration, students?
It is
working together.
Good.
and ideas by talking.
And what is
drawing,
communication?
and
It is showing
writing.
our
It is
feelings
showing
and
ideas by
showing
Showing our feelings and the ideas
our
by
feelings.
talking, drawing, and writing. Repeat after me. It is
It is showing
Showing
feelings and ideas
our
by
feelings
drawing
and the ideas
And
by
by
talking,
talking,
drawing,
drawing,
and writing.
and writing.
Good. How many life skills do you see now?
what?
How many life skills do you see now in this picture? How many life skills? Two. What are they?
Collaboration and
Collaboration and communication.
communication.
Collaboration and communication. Let's move to another life skill. You don't finish what? What?
Mister,
What? Excuse me, 1 minute, please. What you didn't finish? In what? Yes. Workbook. You don't- Reading.
in the notebook.
You want to say writing?
Yes,
We don't need you to write anything. We don't need you to write.
because mom is simple as this.
With all respect to you and to your mother, we don't need you to write. It is impossible to write in the class of 27 students. I record the video, I will send you the PowerPoint, and I will send you the book, and I will send you the worksheet.
Okay.
Okay. Now students,
What is self-management?
what is self-management? Self-management. Just repeat after me. I need silence video. I need you to listen and follow me. Just repeat after me. Self-management.
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 Again, please.
Self-management.
Again, please.
management. Management.
Listen carefully, please. Management. Repeat after me. Self-management. Self-management.
Self-management.
First, the meaning of self-management, it means working on goals. And what is the meaning of working on goals? I need you to think about a student. I need you to think about a student. This student, when he wakes up late in the afternoon, okay? He misses all his classes. He misses all his classes. He doesn't attend Arabic or English or math or whatever. He doesn't attend anything. When he wakes up, he wanted to eat al-bake with ketchup, okay? When he finishes, he drinks his Pepsi. And when he finishes, he plays video games. And he's still awake all the night playing video games. Till it is the morning the next day, he goes to sleep and wakes in the afternoon. Think about these students after 10 years. If he kept doing the same things,
Mister,
waking up all the night, playing video games, sleeping all the morning, eating only fast food, bake, whatever,
Mister.
fast food, yes.
see the sheet. See the sheet. Omar and
Omar,
Muhammad,
Muhammad,
Omar,
Omar,
Zahran,
Zahran,
and
and
Iyad,
Iyad Rida. I saw the chat. Can I continue now?
And
Yes.
Omar.
And Omar, I saw him. Can I continue now?
S.
And Asr. Can I move on now?
Don't write anything.
Oh, you didn't write anything. Can I continue now?
Yes.
Good, thank you. Now I need you to think about this students after 10 years. Do you think this student will be a good thing in the future? Will be a doctor, engineer,
No.
pilot?
Doing it wrong.
He will waste his life. He will do what? Waste his life. He will not be anything good in his life. But think now about another student. He wants to play video games, but he plays for a short time. Not all the time, not all the night. He just for a short time. Half an hour, 1 hour, 1 hour every week, 1 hour every 2 days, like that. He likes to eat fast food like a bake, like hamburger, like McDonald's, but he eats it once or twice a week. And he studies his lessons. He attends his classes. Now think about this student after 10 years. Will he be something good in the future?
Yes.
Something
Good.
very good.
This is called the self-management. I work on my goals. I control myself. I control myself. I like to do things. Some things are good, some things are bad. But I don't waste all my time doing bad things. But
close the chat.
okay.
Mister, close the chat.
I did it. I did it. Good. Good. Now, self-management, it is working on goals. Control yourself. So how many life skills did we learn now? 3. What are they? Collaboration. Collaboration, which means working together. Communication, showing our feelings and ideas by drawing, writing, and talking. Self-management means working on goals. Now, the next life skill is called the critical thinking. Repeat after me. Critical thinking.
Critical thinking.
Critical thinking.
Thinking.
Critical thinking. Critical thinking. Critical thinking. Critical thinking. Repeat after me the first word only. Critical. Critical.
Critical.
Critical.
Critical.
Now repeat the second word. Thinking.
Thinking.
Thinking. Thinking. Now the two words together. Critical thinking. It is thinking about our previous information and comparing it with the new information. Please, if you have noise around you, turn off your microphone. If you have noise around you, turn off your microphone. Otherwise, I will mute you all. If you have noise around you, turn off your microphone. If you have noise, turn off your microphone, please. Okay. Now, let me help you to think about what is the meaning of critical thinking. Critical thinking, in short, in brief, it doesn't mean believe anything. Think about it first. Don't believe anything except when you think about it. How can you think about it? Compare it with things that you learned in your life. For example, if I came to you now and I give you, for example, a piece of sweet. A piece of what? Sweet. And I tell you, before you attend the class, eat that sweet. It will help you to think well. It will help you to grow and be muscular man and a healthy man. Will you believe me?
No.
Will you believe me? Will you believe that this piece of sweet is good for you? Why you don't believe me? Because you learned it before that sweet is not good for health. It is, yes, gives you pleasure, good taste, but it is not good for your health. This is critical thinking. You don't believe anything. I give you one more example. Think about bad boy smoking cigarettes, and he is giving one cigarette to another boy, and he tells him, smoke these cigarettes and you will be a man. Will he believe him? No, he will not. No, he won't. Why? Because he studied before that smoking is bad for health. So he used his critical
bad.
thinking. He knew information in his mind, and he compared the new information with the old information. This is called the critical thinking. Like this man in the picture, he is thinking. He doesn't believe what he listens to. He is thinking. This is another life skill. So how many life skills did you study?
5.
Number 1,
Celebration.
collaboration.
Collaboration.
Number 2,
Communication.
communication. Number 3,
Management.
self-management. Number 4,
Critical thinking.
Thinking.
yes, I might make mistake in a number, but it's okay. They are 4 life skills now. Now look at these 2 persons.
Empathy.
This is a new life skill, empathy. Repeat after me.
Empathy.
Empathy. Again.
Empathy.
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 Empathy. Empathy. Empathy.
Empathy.
Now, what does empathy mean? What does it mean? Good.
It is understanding and respecting
It means understanding and respecting feelings and the ideas of other people.
Ideas of other people.
Now, let me help you to understand this in simple words.
Okay.
If I came to you and I tell you, I am afraid of swimming. I am afraid of swimming. Yes, I am old man, but I am still afraid of the water. And you started making fun of me. This show empathy? No.
No.
Now, when you come to me and tell me, Mister, I am afraid of English because it's difficult. And I started to talk to you, you can learn step by step. You can answer question by question, just to push yourself a little bit forward, one bit at a time. Now I take empathy. I respect your feelings. That's what we should do with others. We shouldn't make fun of others. Do you remember what happened to Marwan Rafi last session when he didn't accept the share? Do you remember that? Do you think it is good to make fun of him and start laughing at him? No, it is not good. Do you think it is good to respect his feelings? Yes, it is good. This is called empathy. Now repeat after me. Empathy. Empathy. It is understanding
Empathy. Understanding.
and respecting feelings
Understanding. Feeling.
and the ideas
And the ideas.
of other people,
Other people.
like these 2 persons. This one seems to be sad, and this one seems to have empathy on him. Now, how can forget about that exercise? Okay, let me show you another PowerPoint might help you to learn. Let me close this.
What's this?
Let me make it bigger.
It can.
This is PowerPoint. This is PowerPoint. This is not in the book. This is PowerPoint.
Yes. Okay.
Look at these 2 pictures. Look at them. This boy is doing his homework, right? This boy is doing his homework, but this one is sleeping. Which one of them has self-management? Up or down?
First one, up.
Up. Good. Now look at these two children. They are eating fast food. It's delicious, yes. It's tasty, yes. But is it good for your health?
No.
No.
Oh.
So you have to control yourself. Now look at these children. Those are making exercise to help their body. But down are playing video games. Which one has
Time is up. Up.
time is up?
Down.
It's okay with me. Thank you very much and goodbye.
What?
His is up and on his is down.
That's good.
مستر انت بتطلع.
Are those working together?
Yes.
Are they working together?
Yes.
Goodbye.
Yes, you can go. You can go. But I will finish when the time is up on my screen because it is my job.
Mr. Can I leave? Can I leave meeting?
No, you can't. You are not allowed. If you ask for permission, you don't have the permission to leave. You have to
Mr.
stay.
We have homework.
Yeah, the homework is on your weekly study plan.
In the
Yes, I sent it on WhatsApp and
you
it's
sent
in
it in
Tennessee.
the WhatsApp.
Yes, I did.
In the WhatsApp
Yes,
and
I did.
consider.
Yes, I did. Can we
Okay.
continue now? Okay. Collaboration here is a life skill. It means working together. Now, these are methods of communication. Talking,
Okay.
like those people are talking. Writing, like writing this word. Drawing, like drawing the boat. These are methods of communication.
Elephant.
Now, decision making, it means you make the right decision. For example, I decide to eat the red apple, or I decide to eat the green apple. So I choose. I choose what is wrong and what is right. Now, the critical thinking, compare and think. Which one is bigger? In picture number one, the elephant. The elephant. Now, what do you think if I tell you now the mouse is bigger than the elephant? Will you believe it?
No.
Because you know before that the elephant is bigger. You saw before mouse, which is small. So you use your critical thinking. Now, when I tell you this is a bird, what do you think?
No, it's a dog.
It's a dog. Now you use your critical thinking. You don't believe me. You just think about what I say and you accept what is correct and you refuse what is wrong. Good. I think we have to open just the book to know this in the book, and that will be everything for today.
This book?
Yes, the book, the school book.
Yeah.
It is called the Discover, the school book.
Yeah.
Let me
Mister, I am leave. Okay. Page what?
3.
wait a minute. Why are you leaving? Why are you leaving?
You lived.
Yes, why are you
I
leaving?
don't leave. I don't leave.
He's leave.
And why is that?
Yusuf is leaving.
Malik al-Hadar is leave.
Malik al-Hadar is leaving?
No.
No, I don't leave.
There's
No.
one leave.
You don't
I
leave.
don't need leaving.
I don't leave.
No.
I don't leave. I don't leave.
I don't have work.
I don't leave.
I don't leaving. I don't need leaving.
I don't give living.
Yes, that's clear enough for me.
Is here.
Yes, I am here.
Okay, dear.
First term. Once again. I'm just looking for the school book. Okay, this is the school book. Can you
Mister.
see the book now, student, from the beginning?
No.
No.
No. Yes, yes, yes.
This is what?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
This cover.
Discovery.
Mr. 2 minutes. The Zoom is.
Please don't tell me about the time. I have a watch in my hand. I see the time on the screen. Don't waste my time, please. I am very busy about this book. I am very, very busy. This is a chapter 1, making a stronger me, theme 1. Now follow each children, write new definition of life skills. Who can tell me what is the meaning of life skills?
Me.
Yes, start.
Something that we have to do well at.
Good. Things that help us to do well in life.
What?
Things.
Mister.
Yes.
Mr. What is the page?
Things
Page 3.
help us
I don't have the book. I
to
don't have the
do well
book.
in
Wait, Mister. Wait.
I
Don't worry.
don't have the book.
Don't worry
I
about
don't have
writing.
the book.
You don't have the book. I
Mister.
heard you. I heard you. You don't have the book. I heard you. I understand that you don't have the book.
Mr. Where? What
You
is the
don't.
page?
You don't need to write. You don't need to write. Once again, you don't need to write. Everything is going to be sent for you. You don't need to write. You don't need to write. Thank you very much. Number 2, below are some of the life skills we will work on. Put a star in front of the skills that you're good at already. Put circle next to skills you need to improve. It differs from one to other. It differs. I am good at organizing my work and staying focused. If you think that you are good at this, mark it yes. If you think that you need to work on this, mark it no. It depends on you. There is no correct answer and wrong answer. Some people are good. Some people are bad. Some people need to work on that. Okay? I am creative and show my ideas in different ways. Do you think that you are good in that? You can draw, you can write, you can talk. If you think you are good in that, vote yes.
Yes.
I find
Yes,
ways
yes,
to
yes.
solve my problems and help others. Do you think you are good in that? Yes.
Yes. No.
Yes.
No.
So it depends. It
Yes.
depends. It depends on you.
No. Oh.
I can communicate my ideas in many ways.
Yes.